So today we're gonna go over the top 3 reasons why I think you should start stained glass. So the first reason that I think you should start is the fact that anyone can start this. It's something that can be learned, and myself included, I had no idea about stained glass. It's something that you can definitely pick up on your own. So you don't really need previous skills to get into this craft. So I think that's a big reason why you should start, and you can start fresh. So the second reason I think you should start is for the creativity. So if you're like me, you lost this creative side when you were a kid, like wanting to draw or loving to paint, maybe because work got in the way or just life in general. Picking up stained glass has really brought back my creativity in a way that I'm now looking at things in a different way, thinking about how things could be turned into glass. So it's really brought back that creative side that I didn't know would come back. But also, creativity means being able to make your own stained glass art in the ways that you want it to be, in your own style and your own creative ways. Stained glass could be like a simple geometric shape to something more complicated, like the dire wolf Game of Thrones, something like that I've done. And you can even go 3D, so the possibilities are pretty much endless. And the final reason I think you should start stained glass is because you get to work with your hands. So yeah, stained glass is very much a hands-on type of art. So if you love to work with your hands, then it's gonna be something that you're gonna enjoy. But yeah, if you hate working with your hands and you don't like doing projects, then I think you might not be into this. So guys, those are my top reasons why I think you should get started in stained glass. If you guys have any other ones, I'd love to know in the comments below. Let me know if I got these right. So thank you so much again for hanging out, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Now.